Hello everybody, Drywall Repairman here, just doing a simple tip video. This tip video is about metal brackets. Adding metal brackets to your framing is a must do. I believe it's even a code thing. Most of these jobs I get into after a plumber does his repipes or fixes a leak in the wall, running new pipes, or electrician comes in and they run wires, they always forget to add these metal brackets over the framing. These brackets are very important. It's a code issue. These brackets protect from screws being put in the wall, nails. When you hang the sheetrock, sometimes you forget where the pipes or wires go, so that's what these brackets are for. Maybe you're not just installing sheetrock, you're installing cabinets on the wall or hanging pictures, whatever. You're putting nails or something through the wall. These are to protect the pipes and the wires. So whenever you open up a wall and you don't see these metal brackets on the wall, go ahead and go to a home improvement store and buy yourself some of these brackets. They're not very expensive. They vary in sizes, so pick up the ones you have. These ones you screw into or nail into the actual framing. You also have brackets that you can just hammer into the framing. But I had to get these bigger ones for this job because it's a big area with two pipes. But you just install these brackets, metal brackets. They protect the pipes. Nothing's worse than putting a screw through the stud. Even if the screw doesn't go all the way into the pipe, the screw head might be going through the stud just enough so that it's rubbing against that screw head. Then over time, the pipe moving around or stuff like that, it'll create a leak. Or in a wire, even worse, a short. So that's why we put these metal brackets on. It may even be a code issue. Some states, I'm sure, areas probably require these code issue. Whenever I bid a job and I walk into it and I see they're missing these brackets, I always offer to the homeowner, I ask them if their plumber is going to come back and install these. If not, I offer to install them, of course, for an extra charge. Proper way of doing it, when your plumber's in there, make sure his pipes are strapped down, everything has brackets. Same with wires. You want the wires in there nice and clean, tight. Just simple observation, you can notice that if the plumbing or the electrical work was done correctly, it looked really nice. Nice layout, wires and stuff. This job here is just a simple patch I had to do in a laundry room. They had to relocate the plumbing to one side because they're doing a stacking washer and dryer. So I put these metal brackets on. I can mark my studs or the pipe location on the wall and know where they are, but I like to put these brackets on just in case. And as you watch along, you're going to see as I install the sheetrock, I'm going to try to put a screw in there and it won't let the screw go through because it hits the steel plate. Nothing can go through the steel plate unless you really drill through it really hard with the drill bit, metal drill bit. So that's what these are here for. And also, after this homeowner, he's taking out his upper cabinets and he's doing a stacking washer and dryer to the right, and then he's doing stacking cabinets to the left. So the cabinet guy may put a screw in the stud to try to secure his cabinets, but if he hits this, it's not gonna go through the pipes. Simple video here, just simple, add your brackets. It's a code issue. You'll see plenty of pictures and stuff like that. If you're trying to find these brackets, I think they're called stud guards. I usually find them in the plumbing section of any big box home improvement store. But they, like I said, they vary in sizes, so go ahead and grab yourself a handful of these whenever you open your wall. Once you get them secured, then you're ready for sheetrock. These are just simple steps. That's what I like to do. I like to take my time, make sure everything's ready to hang. I don't just like to slap up sheetrock. I like to make sure everything in the inside of the wall is done correctly before I get in there. These plumbers, electricians, they make a lot of money, so I don't know why they don't do this extra step by adding these extra parts and pieces. Some plumbers and electricians are really thorough. Some of them just do their pipes. They don't want to spend the extra time and money on these extra parts and pieces that they need to do their job correctly. But this is just simple, helpful video. Always add metal brackets to your framing. If you have metal framing, they also have metal bracket for metal framing. There's different types and sizes and shapes. Anything works. It's just to protect your pipes and wires. So I hope this video was helpful. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm going to be making a lot of videos on stuff like this. Just helpful stuff. Most people don't know. That's why I make these kind of videos. It's just basically watch and learn type stuff. Stuff I do. But you can see in the middle of the sheetrock that I couldn't get any screws through where the brackets are with the sheetrock there. So now that's a perfect hang job. The gaps, don't mind the gaps. We pre-fill those. We're fitting in patchwork. Always pre-fill your gaps. After you get it all sheetrock, pre-fill your gaps. Tape, coat, and texture. Right here, no screw will go through. That's what these metal brackets are for. All right. So thank you.